Do you know in LLM there is also a word called blow water? In Chinese we say 吹水 lah. So do you know,
Okay.
what is this blow water in LLM?
Mm, blow water. I think if you want to know more, let's Sembang
Sembang
AIoT.
AIoT. Okay, hello, hello, hello. Very good afternoon, everyone. Yeah, let's welcome to our Let's Sembang AIoT channel. Today is very, very special because I'm away from the country. Ken Leong is in the office. Yeah. So, Ken Leong, do you know, yesterday we had a very, very scary scenario here. We are facing this typhoon, in Taipei. So all the event for the GPC, the second day was cancelled. But we managed to make up the first day. But yesterday was very scary because you can hear in the hotel room the wind is knocking at your door at your window.
Wow.
Some of the news you can see a lot of people, tree fall down and so on. Yeah. So I'm in the Taipei here. So by the way, I'm Sicily.
Yeah, I'm Ken Leong.
Yeah, there is a bit of delay, I think, in this in this live. I think because we are using the this data line, the data line to do because hotel obviously the Wi-Fi is not so well. Yeah, so so we couldn't get this up, until I get this mobile line. So okay, today we are going to share you a few things. I think it's very important thing, especially towards the is still it's still very relevant to those tech up that we are talking about. But we are giving way for some of the sharing that we are going to come in because the second take off will be pull back. We are going to share. I'm going to share you more on the second take off in our next session. So yeah, what is this blow water in the LLM, Genang?
Okay, so
Okay,
the
let me
in
start with
LLM
this one. Yeah,
is
yeah.
all
Let me
about
start with
the
this one.
hallucination.
So okay, okay. There is a bit of delay, when I speak to you, because it's some kind of delay. So when I speak, uh, then only you reply. It take about 3 seconds. So it doesn't matter. I think we just continue. We will just do our best, for the audience. If let's say very important thing, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Yeah. So yeah, this just now you mentioned about this hallucination. Yeah, hallucination is a big issue in LLM. Yeah, yeah. So why I call this blow water is because when you ask something, you ask him something, he based on his he think is right. He just simply answer you with a different kind of answer. But then he still presume that he's right. That's a big issue. What do you think about that, Agnes?
Yeah. Okay. So actually, there are few types of hallucination. So the first one is the factual hallucination, where the LM creates some fake person or fake event or some fact that doesn't exist, and then it reply to you. And then the second one is the logical hallucination. So where the response does that don't logically follow the previous statement in the conversation. And then another type is the contextual hallucination. So sometimes people asking for some question related to the event A, but the LLM answer the thing that related to event B. So it doesn't actually answer the user question. So these are few type of hallucination that the LLM is facing now.
Yeah, so there are three types of them. I think maybe
Yeah,
maybe could be more in the future.
yeah,
Depends on how complicated your question is. Sometimes when you're asking, LLM, of course, it is solving the NLP side. Whatever you ask, he can understand. Yeah. The problem is the complexity come with when you ask certain question that is related to another scenario or another situation that you need another decision to make up another decision. That will becoming very, very complex. Is it right, Agina?
uh, yes.
Yeah. For example,
And
in
some,
the this okay, you go ahead, Agina.
yeah, okay, and some of the time when the data set is not being trained, it's not enough to cover all the field, and then the user asks some question that is not within the data set, then the LLM might generate some fake answer or some inaccurate answer that is, from our view, it seems like it's a hallucination.
Okay. Later we are going to share with you one of the video that we took in the MDX show last week. We had this MDX show organized by MDX. During the session, we demonstrated the LLM model powered by Comtech server platform. That is powered by the whole two Intel GPU inside. That later on we're going to share with you more. But then we had the occasion where there's one audience asking about who is the person in this organization. Then he'll be asking another question, uh, what is this company is doing, or who is this company. So it's actually combine them together, the LLM combine them together and then give them an answer. So he said the ABC is a subsidiary of a company of XYZ, something like that. But that is not within within the context of the whole real data. So that's how it can happen. It's very funny, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So to bring it forward, what is this hallucination will be able to be handled? Is there anything that we can get rid of this kind of issue like hallucination? Maybe you can describe a bit more from here.
Okay. So there are a few ways to solve this kind of issue. So the first one is with the implementation of the RIG. The RIG stands for the
Mm,
Retrieval Augmented Generation, where the
yeah.
LLM can access to a database. So where inside the database contains some of your document. So whatever question from the user, it will try to find the answer in the database first. So this will prevent some sort of hallucination to happen. And then the second way is we need some kind of uh, human in the loop system. So sometimes you will see there is the ChatGPT, it will ask you to give a response uh, to choose which response generated by the ChatGPT is better. So actually, they are using your feedback to train their LLM to give a more accurate answer. Uh, and in behind there is a human also to do the intervention to evaluate the response given by the user whether it's useful for the LLM to do the fine tuning or not. And then the
Mm,
other way is we need to make sure during the fine tuning when we do the fine tuning, we need to fine tune with a high quality data set. So without a high quality data, the LLM will learn the thing that is not useful at all, and this will only cause the hallucination effect become more worse. And another way is the way how we ask the LLM question. So it's related to the prompt engineering. sometimes when you ask the question, like you don't know what you're asking. So, and of course, the LLM don't know how to generate an answer that you want. So we must be specific on what we want the LLM to answer us. So this is related to the prompt engineering. The way you're asking the question is also very important.
I see. Yeah. So that is how important is this RAG, or in short you call it RAG. It's very popular right now. I think there will be more and more improvement in the RAG version that coming up. They solve us the different issue probably, or kind of improvement. Basically RAG will be good, I think, because I'm seeing this RAG is very helpful in the way that when you are doing some kind of training of the existing pre-trained model, yeah, it will be acting as one of the reference, yeah, because it's, I think, involve some search thing inside also, right?
Yes.
Yeah, it involves some search ingredient inside, where you can point to them more of a keyword, and then by feeding the keyword back to the LLM, the model again, so it will be able to understand it, or to project a better answer from there. Yeah. But then just now, Daniel, you mentioned about human intervention. You need to put in another layer to verify, and come to prompt engineering. You have to create that kind of a prompt, a better, in terms of improvement of how you ask the question and things like that. That will actually also contribute to the end of the result. Is that right, Agila?
Yes.
Okay. So, having said about this RAG, we started from this hallucination, because this thing is about three or 4 months ago, when we started working on this NVIDIA thing. There's a one chat RTX. If you refer back to our old video, we actually do this, that one also on this same 𝐓𝐻𝐃𝐀𝐘 server platform also, with the NVIDIA GPU. Yeah, NVIDIA GPU. Then we managed to run the chat RTX. That during that time also we faced this kind of issue also. But with the RAG also we help a lot, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
So but then this round we did it on the Intel platform, with the Intel GPU. So we found that the similar pattern is still exists, but then that's why uh, that will lead us to the third thing that we are going to discuss, something about this fine tuning. So, coming to this fine tuning will be very, very important, because you by itself, LLM has got some flaw, not some flaw lah. I mean, it's a way it's designed. He cannot understand that kind of complex question. NLP side, I think, is very good already. In fact, I had a discussion 2 nights ago with the 𝐓𝐻𝐃𝐀𝐘, one of the product manager, the business development manager in the AI. So he was talking about, we are using the Mistral model, like Mistral 7B, right? So they tried the 13B and 33B also. But then they had the same problem, with the customer. According to them, they share some of the end user that some question is not it's not up to their expectation, when they the way how the LLM is replying. That is yeah, so we were working on the 7B. Is there like 13B, 33B that he mentioned? You know?
Yeah, this kind of model there exists.
Yeah, but it will eat up a lot of GPU power, and also a lot of this when you do the training, right?
Yeah, it require more GPU RAM to run this kind of big size LLM.
Yeah. So coming to that, can you explain a bit more on why is this fine tuning very important? Is there any way, or how can we work around in this area?
So sometime in your after you implement the RIG and the answer replied by the LM is still not up to our what we expect. So this sometimes is caused by because the RIG is based on the keyword searching. So when the question from the user doesn't contain the keyword that is inside your RIG database, so the LM might not able to answer your question correctly. So in this situation, we might use the fine-tuning technique where we fine-tune the LLM model with your custom data set. So hopefully the LLM able to understand the it can access more information in your IG database. So when you do fine-tune the LLM model, it's able to understand the content inside, and then, for example, some of the keyword they have the same meaning, then it's able to relate them together. So even when the user are using some keyword that doesn't appear in the RG, so the LLM is still able to understand what the user want, and then reply accordingly.
Okay. So I think fine-tuning become a very important topic, especially coming to the implementation. As I also see some of the uh, implementation or research or testing, they even suggested that if let's say you don't know, you say you don't know lah, don't go and simply answer people. So I mean the LLM supposed to say I don't know, rather than give he give you all kind of answer that is not relevant, sometimes inaccurate at all. That is the whole issue. Okay, I think we have discussed, although it's not deep, but I think it covered the three main thing in LLM. Even you are working on this training on this LLM or implementation or application that you want to put it up. Of course, we will have a more sharing also. Probably we are going to have a certain workable model that specific to certain application. That will take at least some time, lah. Yeah, but then it's a good start. It's a good start. So we will jump across to our this MDX show last week. I think there are several new technology. Some exhibitor is doing, and then we are fortunate enough to join into the Malaysia IoT Association. We have a members group. Uh, we are totally there are four members participating in this Malaysia IoT Association booth. So we were showcasing something, but for us, we actually showed two main thing, two main thing. One of them is the computer vision AI. This is that demo was the one that we created quite some time ago, but I think it still stay valid, especially if let's say we are able to connect that to the LLM, that will be very beautiful. That we are going to have a short recording to show to you. The other part of it is we are showing the 𝐓𝐿𝐃𝐀 servers that's running Intel GPU. With that Intel GPU, we are able to perform the what you call the LLM model that is created by Intel also. So that is the first thing that we are showing, and then we get quite a good response, yeah, in the exhibition.
Yeah.
Yeah, there are many questions was asked, but most important thing is the model that we are building is based on the on-prem or on-premise model. So for those of you who are worried about training your data at the cloud level, you can actually train the model within your own premise. That is on-premise model that we are working on. So I hope we are going to get up something for some applications that's more relevant. Of course, the thing is in progress. We will share with you more about that. So before I go into the part of the actual exhibition, maybe I can show some picture first. I show the audience some pictures that we had taken in the exhibition. Let me show. Okay, so this is some of the thing that one of our team members is explaining in the show. So let me just run it through. This is Ken Leong explaining about this computer vision thing. This computer vision thing, the detail you can find out later. That is all recorded in our another video. This me showing some. I think I'm talking about this. Also the computer vision AI on the analog meters. This is a model that we put up. You can see more in the videos. And Janelle is explaining on the, I think this round is on the LLM. Okay. Yeah, this is the whole exhibition under the Malaysia IoT Association. Yeah. Okay. So let's switch back. Okay, let's come back again. Before we play the video, is there any other thing that you want to share with the audience?
No more.
Wow. Okay, today is a very short and because I don't know whether the thing is okay or not when you see the actual video. But then I'll just play the video to you before we just call it. Okay, let me show you this.
Hello.
Hello.
Today we are today is a very special day. We are at this MDX, one of the MDX event. Today is, what day is today?
Today is Thursday.
Today is Thursday, 24th and 25th. We are now at the MDX exhibition. It's organized by this MDX.
Yeah, MDX.
So of course we are putting up our exhibition in this Malaysia IoT Association, part of the Malaysia IoT Association booth. So there are 4 members actually, in our this event that's taking part. One of them is doing GPS. The other one will be doing this IoT sensor hub, and then one of our member is doing the SIM card. So come over here. So maybe we can start with this round. We are showing the large language model. Large language model is on-prem large language model. I think we did that in the past exhibition in one of the automotive company.
Yes.
So for that, today we do it a little bit different. This is a different model. Right now on the hardware side, we have 2 GPU running, on the server platform. Maybe Ken Leong can demonstrate this part first. This one you give it to me.
Okay. So this one is on-premise LLM. So where you no need to connect this device to the internet. It's different from the ChatGPT. So since this one is not connected to the internet, all your data is within your own control. So this one is suitable for those companies who require some new staff in-house training. They want to tell their new staff what is their company SOP, or this is also suitable for the some technical support. You can upload your product data sheet inside, and also suitable for the production floor. For example, when there is some defect happen, your operator can straight away ask the LLM, what is your suggestion to solve this kind of defect?
It's a more interactive kind of LLM model. The most important thing part is the data privacy. If you are concerned about data privacy, that is the one that you're supposed to use, not the one on the cloud. That is very important. So can we show something? Okay, let me type something here. I'm asking. Actually, over here we have put up about 3 different data sets. One of them is related to the Malaysia IoT Association. The other one is the MDX.
Yes.
MDX information, and then one more is MDX.
This event
This event information. Of course, we have ExomTech one also, right?
Sometimes also include inside.
ExomTech one also include inside. But let's ask something. Okay, let's say where are we now? So I didn't tell LLM what to reply, but this is what he is going to reply to me. For this number, it will take about 2 or 3 seconds in order to respond to you because the GPU is running at the back. So over here you can see we are at the Malaysia Digital Acceleration Summit 2024 October, or I tell you also 2 days event. The event is taking place in the MyTech KL Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. And that is accurate.
Yeah, this one correct.
This one is correct. Okay, pass. We are going to ask 4 questions. Each question carry 25 marks. See whether he will pass.
Yeah, now already got 25 marks.
Okay, the second part. Who is MDX? Who is MDX? Let's see. You can read out to them.
MDX, or Malaysia Digital Economy Corporation, is a government agency. Oh, it's very long. Under the purview of the Ministry of Digital.
It was established in 1996. This one I don't know.
Oh, this I'm also not sure whether correct or wrong.
Let's say this video is, let's say goes to you. Maybe you can tell us whether it's right or wrong. So it doesn't matter. I think we assume this one is wrong. This one is pass lah. 25%. Okay, now you type to ask two more questions.
Okay. So
Okay, now I'm going to ask 2 more questions.
I will ask, who is my IoT app?
Who is Malaysia IoT Association? My IoT. Okay, Malaysia Internet of Things Association is an organization founded by individuals and companies in the private sector who are privately passionate about IoT values chain, Malaysia. Okay, pass. 75% already. One more, last.
Okay, last one. What service provided by ExomTech?
Well, hopefully it's doing it correctly. What services provided by ExomTech? Okay, what are the services that provided by ExomTech? So it takes 1, 2, 3, also 3 seconds. ExomTech provide integrated services and embedded computing, this one is correct, assuring trusted delivery, valuable system, integration from board level design to system level design, gaming, utilities, post, kiosk, retail, manufacturing, these are all correct.
Yeah.
So 100% correct. Okay, let's come to this part. So the interesting part about this LLM is, of course, a part of this is data privacy. So in terms of scalability, you want to train anything also you want, you don't need to care about what kind of price that you're going to pay. You want to train the model. So this one is up straight away. So let's come back to this another set. This one we do this one quite regularly. Maybe you can hold this one. We are going to have this guy. Previously, I think we only show up to here that you can digitize. It's doing the analog meter reading. And then the AI, we are training a computer vision AI deep learning that able to translate these analog gauges reading to an actual digital reading. So the reading is going to be shown here on the top right corner of this thing. So if I turn this dial, I think I move a little bit. So right now it's 0.9 something, okay, 0.8. So that is something that we are able to show. So this part, the data has been converted to digital data that's later on published to the cloud. So if in this case, we are using this, there's a 4G connectivity there to publish this to the cloud. So you can see here. So
yeah, we have some internet issue, I think.
Yeah, every time we come to the show, if we use 4G, always the thing doesn't work properly. But doesn't matter. these are the things that we can show. Can you just put it up here?
Yeah.
Of course, some data was actually published from our office.
Please.
Yeah. So, and we have a particular section just to show this data actually coming from here. But right now, the internet is not good, so we are not able to publish that. We can't,
Cannot.
not able to connect. So, this is basically what it's all about. But the main features of this computer vision AI is definitely, for people who do not want to touch anything about the gauges, analog gauges. They don't want to interrupt the process, but they still want to get the data. This is the main thing that we are trying to bring about. So today, we have a very small booth here demonstrating two key AI things. One of them is computer vision. The other one is LLM. These are the two things that we are showing. So I hope you enjoy, and we catch up in another time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hello.
Okay, that was about 7 minutes. 7 minutes. Okay, you can still can you still hear me, Agna?
Yes, can.
Okay. Somehow there's some delay. Okay, I think yeah, just now the 100% is resting. Of course, we are asking with all the question within what the LM know, and then the train data. Of course, when you want to cross these things, I think that's where things will come up, maybe differently. That actually need a lot of fine tuning, and you need to apply RAG properly and things like that. There are many layers at the back that we need to do. So I hope this short session from me from Taipei and then from Kuala Lumpur, from Kenyang I hope you enjoy this session. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe to our Let's Sembang AIoT channel, and also share with some of the friends unless you are interested. You find this video relevant. Okay, now any last word that you want to talk to the audience?
Yeah, today is Friday. Happy weekend, and also we just crossed over the Happy Deepavali to all our Indian friends.
Happy Deepavali and all that. I think the festive season is not end yet. You guys are still celebrating. For those of you who celebrate the Deepavali, happy Deepavali, and then happy weekend, and then we see you in the next session. Okay, bye bye.
Bye bye.